Breaking news coming in at this moment. Mallya Gate will be taken up by the Ethics Committee of the Rajya Sabha. This after Vijay Mallya, who is also a Rajya Sabha MP and is a willful defaulter, left the country. In fact, Naresh Agarwal of the Samajwadi Party raised this query in Rajya Sabha yesterday on why Vijay Mallya, who's unable to repay banks, should not be taken to the Ethics Committee of the Parliament because there is a minimum requirement that any person who holds the position of a member of parliament in Rajya Sabha needs to be somebody whose finances are above board and he should not be bankrupt. Abhishek Kapoor joins me on the phone line. Abhishek, what is the latest detail? Who is likely to take the matter of Vijay Mallya to the Ethics Committee? Yesterday, we saw Naresh Agarwal of the Samajwadi Party raising this issue and the Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Mr. Kurian, saying that this matter should go. Have any formal requests now been moved to the Ethics Committee?
Well, Navika, what we are hearing is that the concern was raised by MPs cutting across party lines, following which the process is that the Rajya Sabha's Ethics Committee would take a suo motu cognizance of it and take statements from MPs based on which a formal investigation would be carried out. So that is what we are hearing so far as the Rajya Sabha is concerned. All the MPs are concerned that this is creating perception issues for the elders of the parliament, and that is why this issue should be looked at by the Ethics Committee, and that is why following Naresh Agarwal's speech in the Rajya Sabha, Mr. Kurian, who was chairing at that time, assured the members, and today we are hearing that the Ethics Committee might convene and take up this matter.
Well, Abhishek, is the Ethics Committee likely to take up the issue of Vijay Mallya today itself? That would be prompt action if the Parliament does decide to take suo motu notice of Vijay Mallya's status, given the fact that he's now taken to Twitter and is virtually taking on the media for raising questions about his financials and the fact that he is being followed by various agencies. Will the Parliament take this first step today itself?
Well, yes, Navika, whatever the procedure that would be followed, and what we can say is that the Rajya Sabha is already seized of the matter. They have to just follow the procedure of calling for representation from MPs, hearing them out, and then launching that formal investigation, whatever time it takes. What we know is that there is an element of concern in the manner in which the whole Mallya Gate affair is panning out in the media. And the Rajya Sabha is essentially concerned about the perception issues that this might create, essentially because Vijay Mallya is a sitting member of the House, and that is why this procedure would be initiated possibly today or tomorrow, whatever the process for the Ethics Committee that hears the MPs first and then starts that investigation. But what is important is that this is being done suo motu after the concern raised by MPs cutting across party lines.